How to screen record on the iPhone 15 series, fast and easy, running iOS 18. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top right hand corner. Then in the control center, touch and hold. Next, tap on Add a Control. In here, we scroll down and look for screen recording. So tap on that to add it to your control center. Then tap anywhere to save the changes. After that, touch and hold on the screen recording button. From here, tap on Start Recording. Now in here, you can choose to turn on or switch off the microphone before you start recording. After that, tap on the Start Recording, and this one will give a countdown of 3 seconds. So 3 seconds countdown, and now it is start to record the screen. And that's it. So here you can see I swipe across the screen, open up my shortcuts folder, and if you want to stop screen recording, you can just tap on the stop button right there. And here I can view my screen recording. Okay, so increase the volume. So here you can see I swipe across the screen, open up my shortcuts folder, and if you want to stop, so 3 seconds countdown, and now it is start to record this. And that's it. That is how you can screen record on the iPhone 15 or the 15 Pro. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.